Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidgy channel. In today's video, we'll be explaining what to do if your Android phone gets stuck on accidental touch protection. Many Android users have reported issues with this feature. It can be a real nightmare for those affected. This function might prevent you from unlocking and accessing your device, or even render the phone completely unusable. That sounds incredibly frustrating. However, there's no need to worry too much. There are several methods you can use to fix an Android phone stuck in this state. The methods covered in this video are applicable to a wide range of phone models, including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. According to user feedback, the issue of an Android phone getting stuck on accidental touch protection often arises following a system update. Some users have managed to resolve the problem in just a few minutes, while others have spent hours trying to fix it. This can be particularly inconvenient, even critical, for users facing urgent situations. To address this, we've identified some simple methods to resolve issues where the swipe-up gesture fails to dismiss the accidental touch protection screen. Please follow the methods demonstrated in this video with patience. We are confident they will help you successfully dismiss the accidental touch protection on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, or leaving a comment to let us know which specific method worked for you. Method 1. Force restart your device. Since your Android phone is currently stuck on the accidental touch protection screen, you likely won't be able to perform a standard restart via the on-screen menu. The first method in this video involves performing a force restart, or hard reboot, on your Android phone. A force restart can clear temporary software glitches, flush the system cache, and help restore your device to optimal performance. Furthermore, a force restart allows you to reboot the device without needing to interact with the touchscreen, making it an excellent solution for this specific problem. To force restart your Android phone, press and hold the specific key combination designated for a hard reboot on your device model. For the Samsung phone shown in this video, the key combination for a force restart is the power button combined with the volume down button. Please press and hold the appropriate key combination for your specific phone model for 10 to 15 seconds. Once your phone's brand logo appears on the screen or the device vibrates, you can release the buttons. Your phone will then automatically restart. After the restart is complete, check your device again to see if you are now able to successfully unlock and dismiss the accidental touch protection screen. Method 2. Clean your screen. If the top section of your Android phone screen is obstructed by dust, smudges, foreign objects, or even a screen protector, it may cause the device's sensors to malfunction. This sensor error can inadvertently trigger the accidental touch protection feature. To rule out this possibility, immediately wipe down your phone screen to ensure the display area, particularly the top section where the sensors are located, is completely clean and free of any obstructions. Some users have successfully resolved the issue of Android accidental touch protection keeps popping up using this method, so you may want to give it a try as well. Method 3. Disable the accidental touch protection feature. If you are able to access your Android phone's home screen or use the device normally, we recommend disabling the accidental touch protection feature to prevent this issue from recurring in the future. This will help you avoid seeing the persistent notification stating, "Your phone is protected from accidental touches." To disable this feature, open your phone's Settings app, navigate to and select Display, then scroll down within the display menu to find accidental touch protection. Finally, toggle the switch to turn it off. Method 4. Sensor malfunction. If none of the methods mentioned above successfully allow you to disable accidental touch protection on your Android device, it may indicate a malfunction with the proximity sensor. To diagnose and resolve this issue, you will need to take your phone to an authorized service center for your device's brand. Professional technicians there can assist you in further troubleshooting the problem and disabling the accidental touch protection feature. That wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful and appreciate our work, please give us a thumbs up, share this video, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve the issue. Additionally, if you have any suggestions for how we can improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below. Thank you, and good luck.